We've got 15 bells here in the church, 5 old ones, the oldest one dates back to 1634, and 10 new ones that were installed in 2009, which are below them in the tower. They're only 2 feet above this ceiling actually. Anyway, there's 3 different ways that we can ring bells. The first way is what they call chiming, and when you swing the bell backwards and forwards, just a little bit, so the clapper in the middle hits the side of the bell and makes a noise. Now, that's how they were originally set up in the 1420s. They were long and thin, and they used to ring them like that. And we've got one bell that's set up to do that now. It's this one here. Those of you who've done it before know exactly the drill. Who would like to pull this bell? It takes a lot of effort to get it to swing enough to make the clapper hit the side of the bell. It's a heavy old thing. It weighs the same weight as a mini. So it's quite a heavy bit of metal. To give you an idea of the weight, this is a clapper, just a bit in the middle, out of a bell nowhere near as big as this one. It's about halfway there, about the same size as the one Peter's ringing. You just give that a lift up and it gives you an idea of the weight of the bell. Mind your toes. And this is, remember, this is just the clapper, it's not the whole bell. Try it, mind your toes. We don't know how old this clapper is. The bell it comes from was cast in Rochford in 1706. So to get a swinging bell to chime is not easy. The other problem with it is that when it does eventually make a noise, the sound's going downwards because it's mouthed down into the church rather than out and about. So that's one way we can ring bells. The second way is to use chiming hammers. Now we've got the old bells set up with chiming hammers. They're little hammers, the ball about sort of that big. It comes up and strikes the underside of the bell and makes a noise. Just comes up and goes bang, bang, bang like this. Makes a noise. Anyone would like to demonstrate that? So that's how you do that. Now that looks nice and easy, but that gets very monotonous after a while, and we tend not to like doing it for more than 2 or 3 minutes. It's not a very great way to ring a bell. Not only that, again, it's mouthed down, so the sound all comes down into the church. So what they had to come up with was a way of ringing a bell. The other thing about chiming is you're very much left with the weight of the bell as a sort of a pendulum, so controlling the speed can be difficult as well. So they had to come up with a way of controlling the speed, ringing a bell with minimal effort, and for the sound to get out and about. So they came up with this system called full circle ringing, where you have to ring the bell backwards a bit each time, until it gets up into upright position, and you just rest it over the balance. There's a little bit of wood, comes down from the middle, it's called a stay, and it is that small, it's not very big, it's just designed to hold it in the upright position. If you put it too hard, they snap. And then the skill of the ringer, he pulls the rope just enough to go over the balance, it goes all the way around, back up the other way. Very little effort needed to do that. You go back the other way is the same. And the skill is to feel when you're on that balance point. Go a little bit further to slow it down, a little bit less to speed it up. You know all about it, it's what you do. And so that's how you do that. Rounds, next hand stroke. Right. Now to get to a standard to ring that, how long have you been ringing now?
November.
So there we are. So that's roughly how long it takes to get to ring to that standard. That's coming once a week to practice. Presumably you go to Pretty on a Saturday morning. We ring here every Wednesday from 7 o'clock. There are people here to teach on Wednesday evening, so if anyone wants to come along, totally free of charge, it's just your time that we need. And anyone from youngster like that to Joan, she's not here up here now, but Joan's in her 80s and she still rings quite regularly. She began to ring when she was 73. So anyone can do it. Okay, right, so that's the bell ringing. What we'll do now is we're going to take you upstairs.
Go over there.
Down through there, you can see it.
people think it's the top of the yard, it doesn't really go there. Mind your head as you come out the door. Best view from in the middle. And please don't lean over the edge, there's one more behind you. Prior to that, it was a trapdoor with a little ladder to come up here. Yeah. And therefore it's a bit too tight coming up the engine.
Yeah.
They did leave us a flag though, which is still in the church.